Hey, it's Adam. Just here to tell you that I'm going to start making some stuff on Skillshare.
Hold the phone there, Adam. Is this the end of YouTube?
No, it's not the end of YouTube. Skillshare is like a Netflix kind of thing, except instead of movies, you're subscribing to tutorials about how to do cool stuff like calligraphy or woodworking, or there's all sorts of neat things, including video stuff there. And I'm going to start releasing some things on Skillshare that's more lesson, guiding you through stuff you can download and do with a class, that kind of community thing. It's not the end of YouTube. I'm still going to be doing the same scheduled YouTube content. No worries there. You're not losing anything.
Okay. Well, that's good news.
You're not losing anything.
That's pretty good news.
But if you sign up through my affiliate link, that helps me out a lot. It helps me out a lot. Thank you.